Hi children, welcome to my third video of Unit 1 Personality Development and Segment B. Every success story is also a story of great failure. Children, this was written by Shivakera. Already in my previous two videos, we discussed the greatness and the creative sensation of the 12 great inventors which were described in the lesson. Okay, they are known across the world for their greatness of success. Now, today, in this video and in my next video, let us have a quick gist of the failures behind their success. Okay, children, are you ready? Okay, here we go. So, children, let's start with Mr. Lee De Forest. You know what happened? In 1913, he invented the triodes tube, which later changed into the amplifier. So, what happened? The district attorney means the main prosecutor, the judge, they sued him, filed a case against him telling that he deceived the public by misleading the public buying the stocks of his company. See, one thing, today across the oceans, the human voice could be transmitted in the ships through the form of the amplifier only, and the man behind this was Mr. Lee De Forest. When the first time when he started inventing, people laughed at him, what this man is doing. So that was the biggest failure for him in the beginning, children. Children, see him. KFC founder, Mr. Colonel Sanders. At the age of 65, he sold his old and damaged car he had for just $100. And he wanted to do something at the age of 65. So he was very much interested in being a chef. So he went to many doors, one after one, please try this recipe. I can do this, not one, two, three. At least 1,000 doors he went, and he wanted to prove that he can do well. So please give the chance to become an entrepreneur. You know who is an entrepreneur? One who starts one's own business. But what happened? Nobody has given him. So at last he realized, why don't I try my mother's recipe? That was the fried chicken. Afterwards, you know what happened, children? KFC has become today globally a brand name. That is Colonel Sanders, who had such a big failure in life in the beginning. Children, have you spotted? That is one and only Walt Disney. In his young times, how many newspapers he went, you don't know. He knocked the doors of many editors. Sir, please give me a chance. I want to prove myself to be a young cartoonist. Get lost, they said. At last, in a church, he started painting on the walls, looking at a rat running here and there. So immediately he dreamt of a character and he started drawing on the walls of the church. So that time the minister of the church, means the priest, he saw the talent of this great man. Then he said, not only this one, you start drawing on many. I am going to refer you in this city, he said. So like that, his talent has come out being a cartoonist. So in the beginning days, children, how much he suffered, you just can't imagine. That is one and only Walt Disney. Later on, he created the world famous Disneyland for all of us. Children, now you see, this is Henry Ford. I think I told you earlier. Remember, the greatest manufacturer of Ford company. This man, when he made the first car, he forgot to put the reverse gear in the car. Imagine the car without the reverse gear. So everybody humiliated him. What this great manufacturer, what he does. But later on, You know what happened? Ford has become the global brand. That was Mr. Henry Ford. This gentleman, Mr. Lee Iacocca, he was a successor, as I told you, of Ford Company. He was fired by Mr. Henry Ford too at the age of 54. That means his successor, Henry Ford too, couldn't tolerate the talent of this man. You see, that was the biggest failure. Jealousy was also a failure among these great men. But one thing, before he could die, he made the brand raise to the next level, the Ford brand. That was none other than Mr. Lee Iacocca. Young Beethoven, this gentleman, he was a musician. He didn't know how to play piano only first. People thought what this fellow would do. He was just putting his fingers and doing like that. So everybody thought that no talent for him in music, just he was pretending. But children, do you know? Today across the world, every musician thinks about this great legendary musician, Mr. Beethoven. He gave to the world some of the finest pieces of music that is called Beethoven's music. Children, just see the Wright brothers. So these people, for the first time in 1903, on December 10th, when they thought of inventing a machine which is heavier than air that would fly, the New York Times, one of the leading newspapers of that era, in the editorial it was written what these stupid brothers were doing. It simply mocked at them. But after 1 week, these great brothers, they invented their first flight named Kitty Hawk. Children, the name of the first flight in the world which was invented by these great Wright brothers, Kitty Hawk. It took its first flight. It means who? Along with Kitty Hawk, these two brothers flew into the air. So the same newspaper lauded them a lot. Okay, children? So in my next video, we'll come to know about other remaining great people's failures. Okay? See you. Small assignment is there followed by this video. Please do it. Okay? See you. Bye.